Recurring subscriptions are great for steady supplement sales. But if customers forget they signed up, those renewals can quickly turn into chargebacks. Here's a quick manual fix. A simple reminder email like this helps reduce disputes by keeping customers aware of upcoming rebills. Clear communication upfront prevents surprise charges later. Even satisfied customers can file disputes if they forget about a recurring charge. Sending clear reminders before renewals builds trust and keeps your supplement brand's reputation solid. But managing this manually can be time consuming, especially as your subscriber list grows. That's where EasyPay Direct's recurring billing feature helps. It automates renewals while giving you full control over customer notifications and payment schedules, so your billing stays transparent and consistent. Here's something useful from EasyPay Direct's FAQs. A nutraceutical merchant account isn't just about processing payments. It is about creating trust. It ensures customer data is handled securely, which is especially important when you are managing recurring orders and billing renewals. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can explore the recurring billing tools and automate subscription renewals safely. Subscription disputes don't have to eat into your revenue. With clear renewal reminders and EasyPay Direct's automated billing tools, you can keep your payments stable and your customers informed. Check the link in the description to get started when you are ready.